Gary, I feel like I could ask this question about basically anything nowadays, but I think it's the obvious one here. How much is the tariff conversations, the discussions affecting what's going on here in the oil markets?
Well, Rob, that's the big thing that's going on. Basically, what's happened because the United States has threatened enormous tariffs against all of our trading partners and in particular against China. And granted, we're filming this on Monday, May 12th. Things changed last night, but before last night, where the White House announced progress in getting a deal done with China, they don't have a deal done,
Right.
but there was progress. And in fairness, the Chinese government, they acknowledged that as well. Their view was, we agree that we have progress here. But over the weekend before we had that, people were worried that trade tensions between the US and its trading partners and between the US and China in particular were going to take down global growth. And what happens is when you have less global growth, when everybody's GDP falls, energy prices fall, energy usage falls. And so basically what happened was people were taking down inventories and saying, we're worried there won't be enough growth to support future oil production. That's going to bring prices down. And that was one of those uncommon moments where growth concerns reduced both the forward demand curve, in this case pricing, and the willingness to hold current inventory. Now, again, as of last night, when the US and the Chinese government were saying it looks like we're getting closer to a deal, things are going to be better. Obviously, everything got revalued. All of DKI's oil and energy positions were up huge today because of that. And so again, this is why we hedge these things, is what we were talking about earlier in the show. You never know what the next press release is going to be. And certainly, Rob, I think this is something you can expect us to be talking about leading off next week's 5 things. I can't imagine any bigger news is going to happen between now and then.